are just coming from Pantila. And all of us who are here, Princess is here, Yabodo is here, everybody is here. See, Princess, wait. See, this issue is not an issue, war or clash between actors and actresses. I have seen the video myself, and I am casting my doubt on the police system for once. The DCO in charge of this case, we are just coming from Panti, you all watch the live, has assured us that justice must prevail. But come, we are only casting our mini doubt. Justice must prevail. Whether it's an issue of rape, whether it's an issue of defilement, whether it's an issue of torturing, whether it's 7 years ago or 6 years ago, we're ready to go already. I need you to go. If you release Baba Jebu, yeah, you will not be. Baba Jesha, only problem on Amazon. So keep it there until we are able to see just because this is inhuman and act. If you watch the video, you will understand that nobody should support injustice. This is not about social media attention. This is about justice for a girl. People don't come out to talk because they're going to silence them. Mentally, morally, people are dying in this country. And we want to continue. Oh no, man. What did you say? Sorry, I don't insult me. I don't insult you, ba. Abiyamọ ni gbogbo wa. Oníkálukú ló dẹ̀mọ̀ kan tó dì sọ́wọ́. Ṣẹlẹ̀ Yorùbá actor and actresses yẹn. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé ìrìnwó lẹ́sẹ̀ ní o. Ìrìnwó lẹ́sẹ̀ ní. Ṣùgbọ́n níbo ni bá bí ìjà ìyá ìbò mi ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú yín. Lẹ́yìn tẹ́tí wo fídíò kí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pọ̀ sẹ́yìn bí. Mo bá láṣẹ kó tó máa sùn báyìí. A máa bí ọlọ́run fún mi. Ṣé o fẹ́ wọ́n ní ìbú?
Mo fẹ́ jà màlà.
Wọ́n ní ìbú.
Ilé bá ti lẹ́nu àjù.
So I don't know what I
Ó yà tí lọ ṣe wèrè ní.
I saw Baba Ijesa with my 2 eyes. Ṣé ẹ̀rí èmi rí? Mo ní Baba Ijesa. So ibi tí ní Baba Ijesa láìpẹ́. Mo lè ti tún àlẹ́ ọlọ́pàá. Ẹ má dán mẹ́wàá wò. Ẹ má dán anything wò. Gbogbo pàtí àti sọ̀rọ̀ àmì mi. Ti kí nílẹ̀? Iná tún fi ẹ̀.
Investigation yẹn. Wọ́n bá wa slow ẹ̀ dìgbà tí àwọn kọ́ọ̀tì máa rí jù padà. Torí pé bó ṣe wà yẹn.
Kí àtúntò bí arìbítì Baba Ijesa. They are releasing it to a mental psychological home. Múlẹ̀ skúlù, nílẹ̀ lọ skúlù.
Child molester, gbogbo yín pátá, torí mo rí tẹ̀ ń wá tẹ̀ ń kú ní tẹ̀ ń sẹ́ríṣiríṣi. Mo mí gbogbo yín ẹjọ́ mo tẹ̀fẹ́ bẹ́ gbogbo àwọn industry mi. Ẹyẹ pè mí mọ́ kẹ́bà tí ẹ má ti mọ̀ pé ẹ̀rẹ̀ bá wa jàjà yìí, ẹ má pè mí, ẹ má advice mi, ẹ má comfort mi, ẹ má console mi.
Màtí ìsàkàlà, jẹ́rí ti bá ṣẹlẹ̀, ọmọ ti mọ̀ pé ó máa dúlé kòlù. Commissioner of Police, Inspector of Police, make una no take come out and do this matter.
Ẹ̀yin náà lè confession àti fún yín confession. Ó ti ẹyin. Tó bá àbí kọ́kọ́ di pé wọ́n mú mọ́lẹ̀ kan sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n sọ pé èṣù ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ohun tó ṣe. Ṣẹ̀rí ṣọ́jà bẹni tí wọ́n ń nà tó bá dọ́mọ tèmi lè ní kábẹ́ máa tẹ̀sí kúrò láti dọ́ọ̀nù bò. Wàhálà ó ti ẹyin bẹ̀rẹ̀ sọ.
Àwọn kan bá ń nọ̀rọ̀, òun ni Commissioner of Police àti Inspector of Police. Adé ti lọ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ pé ẹ má ṣòṣì o, ẹ má dẹ̀ ṣe nọ́mbà gọ́ọ̀nà. Ìwọ náà máa mọ́ nígbà ìfọ́nìjọba.
We are talking to the CP.
Okay, they want to hear English. Okay, so the situation at hand is, we're just coming from Panti, State CID. And I personally saw Ijesha myself, and the police has assured us that Ijesha cannot be released on bail for whatever reason because they are still investigating. And the police never even saw the previous video of where he confessed. They are just seeing it now. So they need to investigate all of this. So we want everybody to stay calm. This issue is very, very sensitive. You all need to stay calm and understand the situation on ground. Let me tell you something. The spirit of Umoja keeps every one of us together as mothers. This girl might not be a girl who is a girl of a known person, but justice will speak for the unknown and the minors and the people that are belittled. So if you have not this confession, you will know that this issue is very, very sensitive. If Baba Ijesa is released on bail, within 2 seconds, he can arrest somebody because it's a psychological thing. It doesn't even have control of it. So we will not allow such an animal. Ojo, we will not allow such an animal in society. Every day is to meet you. They are very easy. Everyone no matter how much passing. So if you know what, I will need it. For some of them, we are not threatening you. Or I be able to answer you. I be able to open to go back my own photo. Then at our most one this party. Ayo le wa ku. Princess. Na, yo mo ko pe tani o mi jẹun. Jẹun bodo o ma jẹ le sha. A ti sọ ko justice nbo nu ele. Lawe lẹ́yìn. Ó yá court e post e I love you. Ọlọ́pàá tó lè pe ko. A ti lọ jókòó tí wọ́n. Ó ní pé ó wà ní court e ko post. Ìyẹn mo post e lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó mú fún yín pé
Court e. Wọ́n pè ní ṣé wọ́n wọlé nìyẹn.